For this problem, we'll graph a conic section. Notice we have an x squared term on one side and a y just to the first term on the other side. So this is of the form x minus h, quantity squared, is equal to 4p times the quantity y minus k. When we have one of our terms squared and the other one not, we know that this is the equation of a parabola. So the first thing we want to do is find the vertex. The vertex is located at h comma k. So in our case, h is really negative 5 and the k is equal to 1. So our vertex on this parabola is located at negative 5, 1. Let's go ahead and put that on our graph. Now we need to decide which way this parabola opens. Because the x term is squared, we know that this parabola either opens up or down. Notice we have a positive 8 on the right-hand side. This indicates that it opens up. So we know the parabola will be opening up. So let's find next the focus. We can use p in order to help us find the focus. We can set 4p equal to 8, and we get p is equal to 2. Since we decided that this is a parabola that opens up, then our focus is located p units above the vertex, or 2 units above the vertex. So from negative 5 comma 1, we go up 2 units, and our focus is located at negative 5, 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. The directrix, which is just the line that runs perpendicular to the axis of symmetry, is exactly p units below the vertex. So our directrix is 2 units below the vertex, so it's really located at y equals negative 1, and it's the line going through negative 1 on the y-axis. So the directrix is a horizontal line going through y equals negative 1. The focus is located 2 units above the vertex, and we know that this parabola opens up. Now, how wide does it open? We need to find a couple of points in order to help us graph. Here's a trick that we can do in order to help us graph this. Since p is equal to 2, we know that this total opening at the focus is going to be 4p units. Since 4p is equal to 8, we can go half of 8, or 4 units to the right of the focus, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get 1 point on our parabola. Looks like that is negative 1 comma 3, and we go 4 units to the left, and we get the point negative 9 comma 3. So here are a couple of points on our parabola, negative 9, 3, and negative 1, 3, and we can see that this total opening going through the focus is a total of 8 units, which is 4p units. Now we can sketch the graph of this parabola. It's a smooth curve going through those 2 points and the vertex. The focus is always located on the inside of the parabola, and the directrix is located, in this case, below the parabola.